Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I'll show you how to create a contact on the AGM H6. So first go ahead and open the phone app and then go to the contacts tab. Here press on create new contact. Then choose where to save your contact. You can choose your Google account or just your phone. Then you need to enter some data. You can add a picture, of course, and a calling card. You can add a name, let's say John, and last name, let's say Doe. Next we can enter a company. Then we can enter a phone number. Let's say number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then you can add a label to this phone number. And you can also add other phone numbers if you want to. There are many options for choice: mobile, home, work, fax, pager, and of course a custom label. You can also add email. Let's say johndoe@gmail.com. You can also add labels to email: home, work, or mobile. You can add a birthday. Let's say birthdays. So this day 2011. You can add an address, and you can add a label to this contact. Let's add an address: Park Avenue. And add a label to this address: home or work, or a custom one. You can also add a note to this contact. Just like that. When you're done, press save. Now I've added the contact. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the HardReset channel for videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.